Wait. I want to buy Goldie.
Why did you sound like that? No way. Like? Dude.
Dude.
Come on, come on.
Oh, can you sneeze? It hurts, bro.
Working out. It hurts.
No, it hurts. Oh, that's sick. That's dope. Wait, hold on. I need to sneeze. Pause.
No.
Oh my god, it hurt so bad when I did that. What up, bro?
You know I used your code when I got the skin.
Really?
What's on it?
I'm gonna open it.
Let me know.
Shockwaves. And one big.
150 metal. Just gonna build a... You heard, by the way? Got a gold DMR for you, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up. One down, I'm gonna... Yo, this is what Queasy just claimed, chat. Here, take this, take this.
Now what? Chaos reload or recharger. Oh, you getting sick, bro?
No. Love. Yeah, I could.
Wait, maybe you carry that too.
Yeah, okay.
Actually, you're carrying 400 chug, yeah?
That's what was in my...
Yeah, you let me. Fuck up, Daddy. Yo, can we play the fucking token, bro? We don't got time for this shit. It's gonna be 20 minutes.
That's so unlucky. That's so unlucky.
How's he not dead?
I don't know.
I'm like
Missed
40
one headshot, extra headshot right there. He's dead.
Headshot, no, headshot's not killing him. I had him 40 with the pump. I just need it more.
He's good, but he's out, yeah.
No!
I'm not trying to play with an IGL, I can't lie.
Well,
Fucking hell. I'm 5'5".
There's a shockwave.
in 5 minutes. This is crazy, bro. These are like HQ quality.
Fixed.
Oh my gosh.
TV. Okay.
I mean, look at how he plays. Like, this guy's just terrible.
I mean, they just don't make. They're just not making any decisions.
Like, why are we swimming in the water with one build?
I'm about to
I don't think he wastes 100 points.
Yeah, I genuinely don't. Like, I don't think he gets 100 points. Like, he should have locked that he gets 100 points or not. I think that's what he should have locked on.
Like a father figure to me, basically.
Right.
So that was pretty rough.
But yeah, after that, man, I've been doing good. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Let's go, bro.
yeah.
So you wanted to fucking. You just woke up one day and was like, I'm streaming today.
Dead ass.
Not bad.
Everyone else is good loot.
Got 4 blinkies. Can you bring the blinkies up from above?
Stranger Things.
10 watts, 16 months.
Best show ever. Come on, someone retweet me. Millie Bobby Brown. Holy.
10 watts, 16 months.
Best show ever. Come on, someone retweet me. Millie Bobby Brown. Holy.
Everyone's saying no.
No, they're not.
That's like half.
Wait, so their
Captain
names
Kidney.
aren't even on. Their names aren't on it at all.
No. Come on.
And that's legal.
Vehicle. When you're gonna put in your opinion account, and it should just be in your inventory right away. W. A base. We're gonna be doing a lot more, chat. We're gonna be doing a lot more. Every single game. Literally every single game. Every single W. Every single game we're playing, we're giving away one. Fuck with candy canes.
I like candy canes. Why?
You ever have a candy cane in your mouth before?
Yeah.
Mistake.
No, let's 2v2 reason.
Yeah, we can play my 2v2 map.
Yeah.
I didn't want to like do that to promote
How do we end it? How do we end it?
I got the maximum IGL kin stats yesterday.
You did?
Most mats farmed.
Oh, I saw that.
Most.
No, let's 2v2 reason.
Yeah, we can play my 2v2 map.
Yeah.
I didn't want
Maximum IGL kin stats yesterday.
You did?
You ever have a candy cane in your mouth before?
Yeah.
Best show ever. Come on, someone retweet me. Millie Bobby Brown. Holy.
It's not bad.
Everyone else is good.
I have 4 blinkies. Can you bring the blinkies up from above? Fucking people like watching?
It is a TV.
I don't know.
My god, Diego's aim sucks, no offense.
Okay, so it doesn't give you anything. Okay. It's on a TV. Okay.
I mean, look at how he plays. Like, this guy's just terrible.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Hey, you. I need to sneeze.
What the fuck?
Hey, Bobby, I got you, fool. Hey, Bobby.
What up, bro?
What up, dog?
Thanks, chat. Thank you for all blessing me. W chat. Thank you. Was it bad? Are you? Oh my god! No shot. You think that sneezing means you're sick? Sneezing is the last thing meaning you're sick, dude. You sound like my grandma. My grandma would always say I'm sick after sneezing.
Yeah. Great. That's you. I think. Yo, they ran the gas station.
I'm down. I'm sad.
Nah, I'm not playing. Two bombs, 2 fizz. Med kits.
Wait, I tried to.
I'm gonna carry your fizz.
Yeah,
Gold flex you should take.
I'm take that off. I'm gonna pop your check for the
2 bombs, 2 fizz.
Yeah. 2 bombs, 2 fizz? No, fizz and 2 bombs?
Yeah.
Like normal
Fizz and 2 bombs.
Yeah, okay.